Good morning. I got a really beautiful Jeep here. This one's a 2018 Jeep Compass. It is four-wheel drive and it's got a really beautiful, it's like a flat gray color with a factory black painted roof. Looks really, really good. It is four-wheel drive and it's the limited, so it has a ton of options. We'll go through those. Most of them are on the inside. We'll go through those once we hop in, but for now let's check out the back. In the exterior, it's got park sensors and a camera. It's in really good shape too. And it's got a matching set of Goodyear all-season tires. Plenty of life on them. Really nice set of wheels. What size are these? These are 19-inch wheels. Really nice looking wheels. Again, it looks, this gray color is really, really cool color. It's like a flat toned color. Let's hop inside. It does have black leather interior. It's in really good shape. It's got the rubber cargo mats all over too. So you got the driver's seat. It's got the big screen there. Now let's hop in the driver's seat. Oh, I noticed it's got blind spot monitors. I don't know if you can tell in the camera. It's a little triangle there. It'll illuminate when somebody's in your blind spots on either side. Alrighty. So we got some steering wheel controls here. And this one's got 82K on it. Looks like it's got lane departure warning as well. We got the big screen here. Got heated seats, heated steering wheel. Let me throw in a reverse. We got the camera. Got the climate controls there. We got the terrain mode, USB and AUX inputs. The electric brake key with the remote start, which is a really nice feature. Live in Reno, it's nice for either a really cold day or a really hot day. Alright, now we'll check out the back. Okay, again, we got the Jeep rubber floor mats throughout. And finally, let's take a look under the hood. This one is a 4-cylinder, so it will be really good on gas. All of the MPGs listed on the main website. Yeah, so just a really nice, really pretty four-wheel drive from Jeep. It gets really good gas mileage too, and it's got a ton of options. So yeah, I hope this video helps out. Thanks for watching. Take care.